Brian Bowersock here with the West Automotive Group. Today we're talking about time and mileage services on your vehicle, what the manufacturer recommends, and what you should be following as far as that goes. Most of us know about oil services needed regularly on our vehicle. Today's vehicles, because we use full synthetic on most of them, and that's all we use is oil-wise at the West Automotive Group, we recommend 5,000 miles or every 6 months with a full inspection on your vehicle. As far as other services on your vehicle, some of them have been extended out quite a bit. We no longer have distributor caps or distributors on most vehicles. Everything now is a coil over with the spark plug. That's direct fire or a coil with spark plug wires as far as that goes. Staying on top of the intervals to keep the vehicle in good working order is extremely important. Replacing spark plugs when manufacturers recommend. Most vehicles these days, 100,000 miles. Replacing cabin filters and air filters when recommended or dirty. And servicing the transmission, which we often recommend at the West Automotive Group, every 20,000 miles will keep that piece of equipment in good working order and prevent an expensive failure. Make sure and get your vehicle in and have it serviced properly. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.